J.K. Rowling once said, I do believe something very magical can happen when you read a good book. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Mariam. I am 16 years old and I am taking entrepreneurship in Technical Institute Johor Bahru. I am a member of school prefect and I hold the position of a treasurer in my class and club. Before we move on to the main topic, let me tell you a tiny bit about myself. I have indulged myself in reading since I was a toddler. I am the only child, so books have always been my companion. It has become a habit for me to always bring a book wherever I go. So today, I'm going to tell you about a book that I just recently discovered and I am just captivated by it. The title of this book is Three Dark Crown. Well, I'm not entirely sure if you have heard about it, but if you haven't, I suggest for you to check it out. So, this is a fiction novel with fantasy genre. It is written by Kendall Blake and was published by HarperCollins in 2016. It has a total of 398 pages and costs around 46 ringgit. But I promise you, it will worth every penny that you spend for it. So this story takes place in Fernbin. Fernbin is an island surrounded by magical mist that separates it from the mainland. Mainland is where normal people called mainlanders live. In Fernbin, a queen ruled while the king only acted as a consort. In every generation, the queen will bear a set of triplets. Each baby will possess different kind of magic. The firstborn is Mirabella. Mirabella is an elemental. An elemental can control fire, water, air, weather, and earth. The second-born is Arsino. Arsino is a naturalist. A naturalist can wither flowers, grow crops, and can also have animals as their companion called familia. The youngest of the triplet is Catherine. Catherine is a poisoner. A poisoner has a talent for crafting deadly poison and can consume any toxin without having so much as a slight stomach ache. Now that we know what power they have, we will move on to the main plot. To recall back, the title of this book is Three Dark Crown. You might be wondering, three crown? Wouldn't there be a fight? And yes, you are right. The tradition is they are supposed to kill each other and the last one standing will win the final crown. Now you might be confused. Why would I decide to tell you about a book that the main characters are killing each other? Isn't that cruel? What a brutal world. Where is the moral value? What lesson can be learned? Well, what I can tell you is that the main concept of this book is duty and tradition can be way stronger motivators than pure evil. This fight between queens has been going on for hundreds of generations. Those people fight and kill each other because of duty and tradition. These characters act based on their sense of duty and their need to adhere to traditions. These characters are compelling precisely because they are not evil, they are just fulfilling their responsibilities. But to think about that now, if someone happened to do something like that, we would probably call that insane. But that doesn't mean following tradition is a bad thing. This just shows us how important for us to think about our action and whether it is reasonable and sensible. But I do agree that this book really got me catch on. I am really engrossed in reading it and was so captivated by the storyline that were uncliched and can't be achieved by common sense. That's all from me. Thank you.